Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on managing content sprawl in Microsoft Teams. My name is Iman Masood and I'm the Marketing Officer at Communication Square. Teams is a powerful collaboration tool that has become increasingly popular in recent years. But as usage grows, so does the amount of content stored within the platform. In this video, we'll explore strategies for managing content sprawl in Teams to help you stay organized and increase productivity. The first step in managing content sprawl is understanding what it is and how it can affect your work. Content sprawl refers to the accumulation of content over the time within a platform, which can make it difficult to find what you need and can slow down collaboration. In Teams, content sprawl can come in the form of unused teams, channels, chats, files, and other content that is no longer relevant. Before you can effectively manage content sprawl in Teams, you need to evaluate your current content. Take some time to review all of your teams, channels, chats, and files to determine what is still relevant and what can be deleted or archived. Consider creating a naming convention or categorization system to help keep your content organized moving forward. One way to manage content sprawl in Teams is to streamline your teams and channels. Remove any teams or channels that are no longer relevant or that have become inactive. Consider consolidating similar channels or merging teams that have a common purpose to reduce the number of spaces that need to be managed. Another strategy for managing content sprawl is implementing content retention policies. These policies help to automatically delete or archive content after a certain period. You can set retention policies for channels, chats, and files to keep your content organized and reduce clutter. Finally, consider leveraging third-party tools to manage content sprawl in Teams. There are a variety of apps and integrations available that can help you stay organized and reduce clutter. For example, apps like Zapier and Flow can automate certain tasks, while integration with OneDrive and SharePoint can help you manage files more efficiently. As content accumulates in Microsoft Teams, it's important to implement measures to prevent data loss. Data loss can occur in a variety of ways, such as accidental deletion, user error, or malicious intent. Implementing data loss prevention policies can help protect your organization's data from being lost or compromised. Microsoft Teams offer built-in LP policies that can help prevent sensitive data from being shared or leaked. These policies can be customized to meet your organization's need and can be applied to teams, channels, and files. Some examples of LP policies you might consider implementing include blocking the sharing of sensitive information such as credit card numbers or social security numbers, monitoring and blocking inappropriate language or content, alerting administrators when certain activities occur, such as multiple failed login attempts, implementing DLP policies and can help reduce the risk of data loss and keep your team's environment secure. Consider working with an expert MSP like Communication Square to help implement and monitor these policies to ensure organizations' data remains safe and secure. Communication Square offers a range of services to help organizations effectively manage their team's environment, including content cleanup, archiving, and retention policies. With Communication Square as your MSP, you'll benefit from our expertise in team management, ensuring that your content is organized and easy to find. We can help you identify areas where you can improve and collaboration and communicate within your team's environment. In addition, Communication Square offers ongoing support and monitoring to ensure that your team environment remains organized and clutter-free. We can provide regular reports on content usage and identify areas where you can further optimize your team's environment. So, schedule a free consultation call with us today using the link in the description below. In conclusion, managing content sprawl in Microsoft Teams is essential to staying organized and productive. By understanding what content sprawl is, evaluating your current content, streamlining your teams and channels, implementing content retention policies, and leveraging third-party tools, you can effectively manage your content and keep your team's environment clean and organized. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams. If you want more information on this topic, make sure to check out our blog on managing content sprawl in Microsoft Teams. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video.